the significant things about our Couches for the Cause program is that it came from the community. It emerged from our partnerships. It was an idea that one of our partners created with a partner that they had that was involved in furniture, and they connected that to our construction program. They said, oh my God, is this an opportunity for your kids to reupholster, repair furniture if they've got the construction background? And we said, absolutely. And so that's where it was birthed, just out of the community coming together for the sake of our kids, trying to meet their needs, give them a hands-on, real-life opportunity. And that's exactly what this is. Our kids are getting in really weekly, really new furniture that's been gently either in need of a minor repair or reupholstering, and those kids are learning those skills to do that.
So the students and I will go pick up the couches. We bring them in, we flip them upside down, and the kids will be assigned, they'll be paired up, and they will take the couch apart, figure out what's wrong with it. They will take out the broken pieces, then they will fabricate new pieces to go in, and then install those new pieces, and then I would sign off on them. And they close up the couch. They make a frame for the bottom from scratch, and they paint it or stain it, and then they install the legs that they made from scratch as well. And then they flip it back over, they take pictures of it, and they advertise it on our online auction as well as other Facebook and Instagrams. And then they follow the leads and they close deals. So the program teaches basic entrepreneurship skills. Not only do we teach the students soft skills and how to give a good handshake and good eye contact and communicate well, they also teach, this class teaches basic safety skills, tools, tool identification, schedule shipping or delivery. They will collect the money for the couches. They'll print out invoices. And so it's from A to Z, a complete business class.
My name is Dantavius Jones. I'm in the 12th grade and I'm 18 years old. The reason I got into this class is because I'm just trying to look out for myself, build a better future.
Very meticulous skills that many adults wish that they had. When these kids leave this program, the hope is that they can actually craft their own because they are learning that level of skill with woodworking. And as you've seen, the furniture, the legs, the reupholstering of much of the sofas, and learning the importance behind running a business, the skills that it takes to market, the skills that it takes to manage the inventory. That is where we hope to become and actually get to with our kids and with this program. Ultimately allowing them to run it themselves is what I hope and pray that will actually emerge. And it's significant because the couches, not only when we sell them at really below cost, right now most of these pieces are over $1,000 if you saw them online as brand new, but we're down to maybe $300, $400 for them. So you're looking at a 50, 60, almost a 65% reduction in some quality work for the kids. But ultimately those funds are just not to sit in a pot. Those funds are to go back to our kids in forms of scholarships, in forms of incentives. As you know, we have kids here who are in need of many, many different things. And so all of that money goes back to our kids. We also are using the furniture to donate to needy families. So through a process of where we're identifying needy families within the building and outside of the building, we're also providing them an opportunity to be part of this as well.